Now we will move to the next dashboard, and that is operation. Click on the accounts. So as you see, there are different kinds of accounts. So I'll not make a new account. I'll just show you how to make. So click on the plus add button. I'll not make a new. So I'll tell you how to do. I'll just click on edit. So as you see, account ID is generated. The account ID will automatically generate it. You don't need to write it down. Okay. Now you have to select the business ID from the drop down. Let's scroll down little. Write the name of the company, whatever the name of company is. Write just alias, its short name. What is the status of the company? Is it active, inactive? So write this. Select it from the drop down. Select the parent name. Just scroll down a little. Write the name of the director, of the company director. Choose the place of the supply from the drop down. Write the income tax number. Now just choose the GST treatment, whether the company is registered or it is a business regular registered company, business composition, unregistered, consumer, special economic zone, so whatever it is. Okay. Write the GST number of the company. Now whatever the GST you are applying on your product, so just select the GST from the drop down. And now we will move to the next section, that is address section. Write the address of the company, whatever the address of the company is. Choose it from. Write the landmark of the company, whatever the nearby place is in nearby place of your company is. Choose the country from the drop down. Select the state from the drop down. Write the city. Write the ZIP code. And now if your billing address and shipping address both are same, then you don't need to write it again. Otherwise you can change it by yourself if you want to change the billing address. And the same details you have to fill in this billing address. I'll just show you. Once you click, you will see all the same details you have to fill. So I'll not change the billing address. I'll just move to the next section, that is contact. Now just write the name of the whatever the company's. I'll just write the name. I have written the name. I have not write the last name. Choose the designation, whatever the designation there is. Okay. Select the department. I'll just write whatever the department, it is management. Email address. Their mobile number. Write the mobile number. Their WhatsApp number. If there is any landline number, you can write that also. And now we will move to the next section, that is profile. Now we will write about the profile. What is the customer type? Whether they are your customer, their competitor, distributor, whatever they are. Just select from the drop down. What is the property type? Whether it is commercial, residential, society, group housing. Okay, select it from the drop down. What type of industry is this? Is this a agricultural, auto components, automobile, aviation, banking? Whatever the industry type is. So just choose from the drop down. If there is any landline number of the company, you just write it. Mobile number, write the website of the company, write the Gmail ID of of the person who is the owner of the company or whatever, any manager ID. You can write it here. Whatever the company type, is it a private company, public company, whatever the company, choose from the drop down. What is the office type, whether it is a corporate, regional, branch, warehouse, channel partner or other. So I have already chosen corporate. What is the company strength, how many people are working there, so just choose it. What is the billing term, 26. Choose from the drop down whatever the billing term is. Billing task, or billing billing type, who does the billing type. So just select it from there. Is there any label or tag? Just write it down. What is the account code? Operation info. Write the working days of the company. How many days the company does work. Choose the meeting slots. Okay. What is the opening time of the company and what is the closing time? Okay. Now we will move to the next section, that is deal. So as you see, I have already made a deal. So I'll tell you how to make it. Just click on the add button and I'll show you what kind of details it displays. This type of details it displays on the screen. Select the offerings from the drop down, whatever the services you are providing to them. What is the contract source? How do you have got this contract, through mail, web, call, or whatever? Just select it as per your preference. What is the contract type, whether it is new or renewal? What is the status of the company? Is it active, inactive, closed, terminated, whatever? What is the job frequency? So just write alternate day. What is the deal date? As you see, deal date is of yesterday. So I have done the deal on yesterday. So this is the deal date, and the work will start from 1st of August. So this is the start date of the working, and this is the end date of working. Okay. What is the preferred time you have given to them? So this is the opening time, and this is the closing time. How many number of services or units you are providing to them? Mode of contract, whether it is fixed or variable. What is the contract value? Just write it. What is the sale value? Sales cost. Whatever the contract value is, this per contract value. What is the procurement cost? What is the area? Okay, just write it down, whatever it is. Select the owner. You can choose anyone. I'll choose mine. Me say. Write the remarks. It is already. Now just update it. As you see, it is already saved. Now choose the bank section. So all these kinds of detail will appear in on your screen. If you if you transfer the money through bank, so you have to write all these. You have to fill all these details. What is the channel type? Are you doing NEFT, check, or RTGS, whatever it is? Hmm? Write the account number, owner's name. What is the account type? Is it a savings account or current account? Whatever. Write the IFSC code of the bank. What is the bank name, branch address, and just save it. Now this is automation section. You don't need to do this. Just click on the auto generate and just enable it. So your invoice will automatically generate. And then just click on the save button. So as you see, it is saved. Okay.